Hi viewers, welcome back to Ramanam B classes. Today we shall do chapter second of the 9th class and title of the chapter is polynomials. First of all, we should know what is polynomial. Polynomial जो expression है, ये itself combination of poly plus nomials. Poly means many, nomials mean numbers, algebraic expressions. अब आपने पिछली क्लासेस में अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन पढ़ा होगा भाई कैसे होता है अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन पोलिनोमियल एंड अलजेब्रिक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पोलिनोमियल. एन अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन हैविंग नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स एक्सपोनेंट. अब यहां देखें ये बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म लिखे है नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर एक्सपोनेंट्स. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में x रेज टू पावर 4 प्लस x रेज टू पावर 3 प्लस x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 7. दिस इज अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. वेरिएबल कौन सा है यहां पर? वेरिएबल x. तो यहां पर एक बात नोट करने की है. व्हाट इज दैट? जो पावर है दैट मस्ट बी होल नंबर. होल नंबर के लिए फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट कंडीशन है जो एक्सपोनेंट्स है पावर्स है दैट मस्ट बी होल नंबर्स. इफ योर एक्सप्रेशन इज s raised to power 1/2, x raised to power -3/4, x plus 1/x, if you get terms like this, then these are not part of polynomials. Why? Because exponent or power over here is fractional part 1/2, and in this case the power is -3/4. Again, consider this case. See, this can be written as x plus x raised to power -1. You are familiar with this. Now again what we see over here, the power is -1. Condition to be a polynomial is that power must be a whole number. For polynomials, it is very much required. General form x square plus bx plus c, provided a should not be equal to 0. अब ये क्यों लिखा है? यहाँ पर ये कोई ना कोई पोलिनोमियल है. अब यहाँ पर हाईएस्ट पावर 2 है, इट बिकम्स क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल. अब यहां से डेफिनेशन आप लिख सकते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल कौन सा होता है? ऐसा पोलिनोमियल जिसकी डिग्री 2 हो. अब कई बच्चे सोचेंगे डिग्री तो 1 भी हो सकती है. यहां पर a मस्ट नॉट बी टू 0. a 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. यहां पर x की पावर 1 है. इट बिकम्स योर लीनियर पोलिनोमियल. पावर 1 पावर 2. इन केस यू हैव पावर 3, देन व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड प्रोवाइडेड a should not be equal to 0. ये जो कंडीशन लिखी होती है ये आपको देखना ध्यान से. यहां पर दिस बिकम्स योर क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल. क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल. अब कई बच्चे सोचते हैं सर पावर तो 4 भी हो सकती है. ओके, लेट अस स्विच ओवर टू दिस वन. प्रोवाइडेड a should not be equal to 0, then it becomes your biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic, in other words, you can name it quartic. Sometimes it is asked in MCQs. Quartic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 4 is called quartic polynomial. Now, some students have some doubts. Sir, it is binomial or trinomial on the basis of terms. See, how many terms are there? Only one term is there. So it is known as monomial. Mono means single. जैसे मोनो एक्टिंग होते हैं, सिंगल एक्टर एक्टिंग करता है. मोनो एक्टिंग was monomial. याद रखने के लिए 2 terms are there, binomial. 3 terms are there, trinomial, and so on. If you have 4 terms, you can name it a polynomial having 4 terms. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. One more thing is there. What is 3 over here? What is 3 over here? What is 2? What is 5? This 2 is known as coefficient of x, whereas 3 is coefficient of x square, and this third term is known as constant term. This is known as constant term. Here degree of linear polynomial, degree is 1. In case of quadratic, degree is 2. Cubic 3. Now 3. This is also a polynomial. But what type of polynomial is this? This is known as non-zero constant polynomial. Non-zero constant polynomial. Now question arises, what will be its degree? Most of the students ask, sir, what will be the degree of a constant? This is constant but non-zero constant, because 0 itself is a constant polynomial. A zero polynomial is known as, its name is zero polynomial. Now let us switch over to the degree of these two. 3 can be expressed as 3x raised to power 0. Both are one and the same thing. X raised to power 0 becomes 1. So its degree is 0. Its degree is 0. Whereas zero polynomial degree, what do you say about its degree? You can write 0 raised to power 0, 0 raised to power 1, 0 raised to power 2, 0 raised to power 100. What will be its degree? It's, if you write 0 raised to power 0, it becomes indeterminate form that you will study in 10 plus 2 in higher classes. There are some indeterminate forms that you will study. So, if you are asked what is degree of zero polynomial, you will say degree of zero polynomial is not defined. It is not defined. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined, and numbers without variable, they are known as constant, non-zero constants. Their degree is always 0. So I think this is clear to you, and you might have got some idea from this basics of the polynomial. Next, we shall elaborate in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.